Okay, third grade, this is the GET model that I was talking about. So we have groups, the equal number in each group, and your total. So when you're answering these word problems, so this is like what your word problem is going to look like. You're going to have some, and I can kind of plug this in a little bit for you. When you're plugging in your numbers based on groups, equal number, or total, you can use this little thing to help you. So if you plug in a number, the numbers from your word problem, and you have groups, you're going to plug it in here. And let's say you have a total. So that means that you don't have the equal number in each group. That means you're going to be dividing. So you would be dividing the two numbers that you have in your GET model. If you have your number of groups and you have the equal number in each group, then that means you're missing your total and you're going to be multiplying. If you have your total and equal number in each group, you don't have your groups, so then that means that you would be dividing. And so we're going to see what that looks like a little bit more right here, okay? So I'm going to leave this here for you so you can come back to it, and then I'm going to model this problem for you guys. So Easton shared his 16 gummy bears with his 3 cousins. How many gummy bears do Easton and his cousins each have? Well, do I know my groups, an equal number in each group, or a total? So let's think about this and what this problem and the information that this problem is giving us. All right, so the important information that this is giving us is he shared his 16 gummy bears with his 3 cousins. And then the question is asking us how many gummy bears do Easton and his cousins each have? Okay, so do I have a total in this problem? Do we have a total number of gummy bears in this problem? We do have a total number of gummy bears. So if you said yes, you were correct. What is my total number of gummy bears, though? The total number of gummy bears is 16. So I'm going to type 16 into my total. Now, I have another number in here, 3 cousins, but Easton and his 3 cousins. So how many gummy bears do Easton and his 3 cousins? Easton is 1 person, and his cousins, there are 3 of them. So Easton plus his 3 cousins is 4 people. So are my people going to be my groups or the equal number in each group? The 4 people are going to be your group, so I'm going to type a 4 right there. Now, this is what you're looking for. You are looking for the equal number in each group, and the equal number in each group is going to be the number of gummy bears that that Easton and his cousins got. So if I'm looking for the equal number in each group, what operation are we doing? We're going to be dividing. So now I know exactly what I'm dividing. You only have 2 numbers that you're working with. You're working with 16 and 4. So because I like making an array, I'm going to go ahead and make an array. So I'm going to use 1, 2, 3, 4. That represents my 4 people. Okay, now I'm going to continue to fill in my array, and I'm going to count to 16. I'm going to fill in my array, and I'm going to stop when I am counted at 16. So there's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So I'm at 16. So this is what my array looks like. Now remember, I said that this first one in each row could stand for your the person. So this was 1. This is the amount of gummy bears that 1 person got. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So each person got 4 gummy bears, so the equal number in each group would be 4. That's also going to be your answer. And I would like you to also include the division problem. So, and you can type that in your answers. So 16 divided by, and you don't have a division sign on here, so you can insert it with your shape. And we talked about this earlier this week. Divided by divided by 4 equals 4. Okay, so that is what your problem's going to look like. So I want to see you filling out your your little get chart, and then I want you to be putting your answer in the equation that you used. So in this case, this was division, so you're going to do a division symbol, and then if this one is not division, you can go ahead and put it multiplication, whatever it may be. I'm not telling you that it is multiplication, but that's what I want you to do. So that's what you're going to do on the next slides.